We'll start a Spring Boot server. Let's head to Spring Initializer. Spring Initializer start.spring.io. Select the project build tool, language, Spring Boot version. Let's change the example to project and artifact name to quiz, packaging and Java version, jar and 17. Let's add the necessary dependencies, Spring Web, Spring Data JPA, and Postgres driver. Click on generate and it will give us a zip. We'll have to extract that. Let's extract that to another folder. Alright, so it is all the necessary files. Let's open that on our IDE IntelliJ. Trust the project. Load Maven project. In the source folder and in the main folder, in the Java folder, we'll have the quiz application, the main file we'll have to run our Spring Boot server. Let's add another class for API. We'll use a simple REST API endpoint. For that, we'll use annotation RestController and annotation GetMapping because we will be retrieving data. And let's define a method. The method will return a string hello from Spring project. That's it. We will return a simple string. Let's run. I think it will not run because we haven't configured the data source JPA yet. Yeah. Let's comment out the dependency data JPA from the pom.xml file. Let's comment out, reload the Maven project, and now run the file. Now it has successfully run the Spring project. Tomcat started on port 8080. Let's go on the local server with port 8080 and with the endpoint hello. So it's giving us the string hello from Spring project. So that's it for today. If you want, you can like this video. I'll see you in the next one.